Hello, hello. Well, I know, and I have a buy limit waiting for me to get filled. 30 minute, this 30 minute and 1 hour candle closed above the range here. I'll have to adjust some of this stuff here. This is preferable for me now. And let's see what happens. The 4 hour highs were broken, and that's why I'm looking for buys. We have a little reaction here, some price action here. So the 1 hour was consolidating for quite a while. It was a pretty choppy action. Same with the 30 minutes. So it looks like we want to get filled and it is moving in our direction. Let's see if we get a closure above. I will put a buy stop there. So if the 5 minute closes above or the 15 closes above, yeah, I will put a buy stop there. I see volume. The trend line is broken and kind of mm, got tested. Let's see. It will be better if we get filled on the retracement, but if not, I will have the buy stop and remove this buy limit. So now the issue is the 15 minutes closing bearish. If it closes bearish, it won't be good. Or maybe it is okay for this 15 close bearish because we will have 45 minutes for the candle to complete the move and move towards the upside. I'm hoping that I am not getting faked out here. And we have volume right now. There have been moves in the past in pre-NY session. This is a breakout of this whole chop. So the 5 has closed doji, not at all strong. So still unsure what will this 15 do. I think we will have a touch at this level and then move towards the upside. That seems likely to me. But let's wait and let's see what happens. Another level is this one, which I'm not sure we will tap or not. The action here needs to be looked at, so we'll have to figure out if this is a breakout or not, if price will move towards the upside or not. I think we'll get filled pretty soon. The stop loss will be below the previous 30 minutes, which is a pretty strong candle. 203, I think 6 pips more. Still not getting filled. I will be risking $38 on this retracement trade. I will add if this high gets broken. In total, I can add around $62. So this is the sheet I use. I will be risking 25 percentage of my account. So the $245 that is remaining currently, I will risk $61 from that amount. So if we get filled here, the next leg will be a long position here. Stop loss will be below whatever low it has created. So stop loss will be 32 pips. And the current entry will be around here. Let me mark the current entry. So this will be the entering on high, BOH entry, break of high entry, and this will be the retracement entry. So the retracement entry has a 19 pip stop. I think we'll have to take the retracement entry because it seems like it is trying to break out. Right now, the bottom wick is formed. 1 minute time frames, the 30 seems good, the 1 hour seems good. Let's check the stop by stop entry. So my stop loss is below these current lows. It shouldn't be lower than that. for various different reasons. I'll be risking 62 USD, and that's it. Let's set a buy order here. So any of these orders can get triggered, either the buy stop or the buy limit. Currently, I am referring the 5-minute time frame to see what price is trying to do. We see this trend line break, which makes me bullish. So this entire trend line break and a retest of the level, kind of retest, not an exact retest. The selling is weakening, another sign of buyers trying to step in. When if this candle flips, it looks good. The question is, what should I do when the yellow line hits? So I think either it is TP1, which won't be much, just one contract off, or it will be a B. Currently, I am not so sure what to do. But I think if we have volume, which we do have some of it right now, I should wait. I should wait and not close anything here. I shouldn't even be here. So you see the Vanna chart. This is one area of rejection. That's why I have marked it. It's only on the 1 hour, not on the higher time frames. We only have 6 minutes remaining, and in these 6 minutes, it should close above the level for it to be valid. So the setup will only be valid if the 30 minutes closes above this level, this purple line or the yellow or orange line, which is a daily level. So if it closes like this, it will be a good sign for us. And we can take we can take a long entry at the break of these highs. I think it's time to close the buy limit. Uh, as soon as we fill the buy stop, I will close the buy limit order. On standby, about to get filled here. Filled. So I'm close the buy limit here. Sorry, the stop loss got closed, unfortunately. But that's okay. We can re-add it. Sell stop to on the break of these lows. To the left, we have pretty clean ranges. That's a good sign. So the wick to the left is 40 pips. This wick 36 to 40 pips. We'll make $80 if we take our whole profit there. I think targeting $100 is okay. This 4 hour level, and we'll have to put our stops here, and we won't be able to trail it to break even, but that's okay. The 30 is about to close in 30 seconds. Good enough close for us. As soon as the high breaks, we'll continue for the next 30 minutes, I think. So the first 30-minute candle of the 1 hour has broken out, and the second candle should just make a small wick, maybe, and then shoot up. Now bottom wick. So this was the initial move, 200 pips, and we are targeting 100 pips here. So the Target amount is 65 pips, and the move will be counted as a 100 pip move. Possible, pretty possible. I think we also have the 1 hour close above the 4 hour open. Yeah, the 4 hour was here and the 1 hour closed above this level. That's also a good sign for us. Just a bottom wick and shoot up. Let's see the 5 and 15. Doing pretty good. Now we wait for eternity for our stop loss for me to be patient. So this trade has also broken out on the 15 minutes, and as you can see, this is a breakout. Unlike the trade we took in the NY session, which did not really break out, and we just got out, and then our stop loss got hit. The stop loss was on the current candle and not on the previous candle. I also had this level mark right here, this level. So it did not break for 30 minutes, this level, but when the 15 rejected on this bearish candle, we got stopped out. I mean, the idea of this stop loss got stopped out. But anyways, it was not a good time to trade. Maybe the whole London session was choppy, just weeks and weeks and weeks. Maybe because the Asian was trending, so I took a note that whenever Asian trends to 210 pips, I should not trade London session. And that's how I got faked out here. 30 closed bullish and then rejected. Anyways, on to the next trade. This one, which is running for -$6. Nice. So I'll be taking my entire profit at this level. Sell to limit. Yes. For the small amount of consolidation, this seems like a stretch, but I think we can get it. It's just 50, 60 pips. I will be patient and I can wait 1 to 2 hours. This is who I am as a trader. I can wait for longer periods of time in a trade. I can wait. I cannot really wait for a trade, but I can wait in a trade. Yeah. I'm only concerned about this level, but I think we'll be okay. And we don't have to get scared of that level because it's nothing on the 4 hour. In fact, we have a wick fill on 4 hour. Let me move it one tick down. So it will be 0.5. What if we just get rejected one tick before the wick? One tick before the wick. It rhymes. Let's see what this 4 hour can do. I mean, this 4 hour can do lots of great stuff like this. These two 4 hour candles did. Let me remove the TP one for forever. I think I can write 1 hour here. So it is a 1 hour rejection level, and see, we rejected exactly from there. You can see a big reaction in the 1 minute. This is how good the levels work in markets. Let's just hope that there is no too much supply going on there. The 5 minutes making higher highs and higher lows. So we are all good. Same is for the 1 minute chart. Higher highs and higher lows. This candle closed strong, and that's good. Hoping this 15 would break the 1 hour level and it goes straight to TP. We're around 30 pips. I think 20 pips in profit, right? Yeah, 20 pips in profit, 40 pips remaining. I see volume. That's what I see. That's what we all see. Candles. What? So I see a move of 36 pips in just 3 minutes. This is gold for anybody. This is gold for you guys, for all the traders. Just a 1 minute candle closed above, and we are going straight to TP. Let's see. If it hits TP, then I will stop the streaming, take a break of maybe half an hour, and maybe then start streaming again if I see another good setup. What a volume. Love it. The sellers at this level got squeezed, and that's how we move ahead. Also, clean the range to the left side helps. Now we are looking at these weeks and figuring out if we want to move up or wait or move down. I want to trail, but I am not sure where to trail. I think 10 pips in profit is good enough. That will be $20. Just don't want to get grabbed in liquidity. So the 1 month structure is saying to put my stop loss at break even. I think that's the right thing to do. I'll be back in 1 to 2 minutes. The trend still looks strong. 5 minutes candles are making higher highs and higher lows. The current candle is in inside bar, but it is still not breaking the previous low. This 15 closes above this level. We will be good, we will be set. I think that if this 5 minute candle closes somewhat bullish, we will continue. It just should not close below the green level, this level. Yeah, good enough. But it is a Sadhari candle. Looks like an inverted Sadhari. Not the best. And the low got broken in the very first second. But now it should not get broken further. Currently, I'm questioning the decision of not taking profit here because we got rejected from these weeks pretty badly. But yeah, there is still a chance that we give it another shot towards the upside. The 5 is looking too extended. Maybe it is coming down to give it the 15 a bottom wick and then move upwards. Don't know what it is trying to do. We should just wait. Accept the risk and just wait. Wait and watch. The 5 should close above the 1 hour level. That's crucial. Then we'll form a support on the 5 minute time frame. If it closes like this, great. We'll form a support. So the 5 minute looking great, 15 is decent, 30 will close great. I think the 1 hour is also closing, so the 1 hour will be closing really bullish. We are more than halfway there. That's good. How do I see the number here? Let me move back my stop loss. 30 minutes, the 15 minutes. Great, great. Every time frame is looking great, closing great. If the 5 breaks out, we are heading straight to PP, I think. Yeah, that's a good bottom wick for the 1 hour. Go straight to TP now. Don't look back. Go forward. Go upwards. It can still hit my sell stop and not sell limit. The good thing is that I'm at least making 1 to 1 right now. I was risking 32 pips and making 32 pips right now. One more push and it will be 1 to 2 risk reward approximately. Yeah, 1.88 is good enough. This is why you should not trail too much. If I had put my stop loss just below this green candle, I would have got wicked out. The 5 is closed just at support, so it will be the only opportunity to form a support on the 5 minute time frame, just like we did here, or maybe here. Otherwise, it will come down to our break even level, which we don't want, obviously. Crazy how just a small retracements can change your PNL so much. We were up $66 at that point, and currently it's showing $34. I think we are coming down for the 5 EMA. Sorry, the 9 or the 10 EMA. Let's see if it compiles. Yes, the yellow line looks like it is pulling back. Should form a sort of support now. Also, the 15 gave a bottom wick to the candle, which didn't really have a good bottom wick. See, this is how gold moves. It should not re-break the lows and come down more. Hopefully, it won't. But who knows? Nobody. We are in two, and why open right now? Wow, I didn't even notice it. Let me put my stops below previous 30 minutes. Those are the most logical stops right now. If we want to hit full TP. So we are in NY open area, and 15 does not look great right now. I hope it gets better from here. We have an opportunity to create a support on the 5 minutes, but it doesn't seem like we are doing such a great thing or such a price action. The 1 minute is in a chop, so I'm not even looking at 5 and 15 looks good. I mean, not good, but decent. It's pulling back quite a bit, which is not good. So has broken all the levels. It's trying to test the 21 EMA on the 5 minute chart. I think it has tested. Yeah. If it moves more than that, it's not good for us. We will get stopped out. We won't take the full loss, but we will be taking some of the loss. Now by stepping in, we see a fake out to the upside. So could have taken some profits there, but it's always could have, should have, would have. Yeah, I think we are stopped out. The 30 has a candle closing back in the range. Did not got executed in the TP. Was a good trade, but did not take profit on the correct time at the correct time. So I am a pretty mixed. I am having a pretty mixed reaction on this trade. Now it can pull back obviously after taking me out. The 1 hour lows are still not broken. Why? The way it is pulling back is blowing my mind. So what did I lose? I was down $93 and currently I'm down $120. So I lost $30 on that trade, but which I was not supposed to be losing, but what can we do? Our stops were at illogical place below 30-minute candle, but still we got stopped out. And the candle seems to be retracing its move. I can risk $50 for another buy. That's what I have. But the sell will be $50. Okay, let's buy here. And the take profit will be not just for hour, but I'm hoping for a daily continuation now. Because if we have gotten this much liquidity, we have broken the 30 lows and we are moving towards the upside. I think the daily level will get tapped here. Let's also use some Fibonacci here. So this is the 0.618 area. This will be 0.7. If 30 pulls back, then the long will be decent, but currently it is not likely to pull back and it doesn't seem to be pulling back. And my volume is going crazy, and we'll have comics open in 6 minutes. So the craziness won't stop and it will just increase. We had a retest of the range, right? I think for a breakout, I should put my stops inside the range. If I'm aiming big, we should always be worried about the retest. I was thinking that we'll get a support here, 5 minutes support, but it formed here, and there's nothing we can do about it. And this 5 minute candle from 815 to 820 is the only savior. If it closes above the 1 hour level, I think we'll be good. But the next 5 minute candle will be a big volume up in the markets because of the COMEX opens. So my current equity is $200. I was having a drawdown of $2,000 at the start of the challenge, and I just have $200 right now. Pretty funny. So the challenge is now 10x harder, but I don't have a choice. We'll have to do it. Either it goes to zero slowly, I won't blow it in one trade, or it compounds and compounds and compounds. Let's see what happens. I'm also excited for the challenge. But yeah, I will have to do some analysis on my past trades and figure out the mistakes. Some of the mistakes are rectified. One mistake I was doing was I was trading enough times. So I have strictly made it to London and New York. And uh, just when I thought I was doing good about the trading times, London stopped having volume. So the previous London sessions did not have any volume and I got stopped out twice. So I'm thinking just NY trading one to two, taking 1 to 2 trades, maximum 2 stop losses in NY should be better than trying to make trying to make profit in London. London doesn't make sense to me right now. I better trade NY. So that's a good enough plan, I think. And I can do several other things in London. I have to journal all my trades, this challenge. So I think I have taken 10 to 15 trades and I'll have to journal them all. I'm thinking of adding at some spot, maybe to the retracement in that around this area. I feel good about this trade right now because of the volume. So I got stopped out once. That should not have happened. But Unfortunately, got swept out. Should I wait for this one candle to close? I will be in the trade for the next 40 minutes. That's also possible. We are having a bullish bias right now. I don't know how long will this bias last time, but that's what we have right now. The 4 hour has 1 hour and 40 minutes close. Let's see where it closes. I want to be holding it until the close. I will be closing it 30 minutes before the close, 30 or 15 minutes before the close at the most. So this 30-minute candle broke the lows and it is now at the highs. If it breaks the highs, it should be winner. It shouldn't even wait for anything. And I can add here, yes. That looks like a degenerate, but my stop loss is $100. No man. I do not have that much equity to play with. I can add, but I don't have the money to add, and I should not. I must not change my risk management parameters in between a trade, in between a running trade, just because I am seeing some profit on my table. It's always good to add to your winning trades, but you should add only what you can handle. So if you can't handle a 40% or 80% loss on your account, you shouldn't do it. Right. If it comes to my initial balance, that is an option. So the 15 has 8 minutes and 30 seconds to close. It should close above the resistance, but we'll see. Semis for 30 minutes. If the 30 closes above the green line, we'll be good. How much profit can we make from this trade? 58 pips, and this will be 77 pips. I will be holding till this daily level gets hit. 77 pips into two contracts makes me $140. So I will make that $30 back. 75 into 2 is 150. And I will be somewhat break even profitable on the day. Let's add the sell limit. Just one or two ticks. One tick away. Yeah, one tick away from the level. What if I add one contract right now? 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So if the 15 closes bullish and we have a retracement, I can add possibly. I might have held through news and that's why I lost. Let me check Forex Factory for that. So at 30 we are having CAD CPI at 30 a.m. which is in 6 minutes. So no big news here. President Trump speaks around 4 p.m. I don't care about CAD CPI. If it hits my stop, it hits my stop. That's okay. But generally, CAD is not a too big of an economy to do much harm to me. I mean, US dollar has done enough harm to my account. It's just $200 remaining in this challenge account. But yeah, if the CAD CPI wants to help me in this trade to take my TP to take my trade to TP, it will be good. It will appreciate it. 30 was supposed to be breaking out and frequent liquidity grabbed. I did not expect that. But what can we do? What can we do, guys? What can we do? Let me check the time we got liquidated. So I think this was the candle which is 8 9 a.m. Pretty bad. 15 that day seems to be closing bullish. Good good for the buyers like me. So I have extended my take profit to compensate for the loss I had here. From here to here, I had lost 27 dollars, $30. So that's why. And I have a logical reason for that. We got liquidated here. 30 should not break its own loss. But as we got liquidated and the candle moved higher, there is a greater chance for us to hit bigger take profits. And that's why I am long. This is a big freaking candle. And if 830 continues, it will be bigger than that. So the 1 hour candle will be huge. The 1 hour currently looks tiny, but imagine if this whole body is similar in the sonar candle, it will be gigantic. Let's see. Let's wait another 30 minutes. So my stops are 60 pips away, 60 pips away. And the news is about to come. CAD CPI news is about to come in 1 minute, 30 seconds, not even 1 minute. Looks like a good pattern which should go up. I will be pretty happy if it hits my sell limit, the TP, in 1 second. But I will be unhappy if it hits my stop loss. Let's see. The truth shall prevail. 1 second to go. Nothing? Yeah, nothing. That's why I did not stop trading. I did not close my trade. CAD CPI doesn't even matter. I don't know why it is a red folder news on forexactor.com. So I'm looking to add some contracts here. Let's see. Adding according to a 15-minute retracement will be good. If candle comes to break even, I should add. I'll lose $50 like a degenerate. But if I am liquidated once, I shouldn't get liquidated twice. What a logic. What if I add on the break of this high? So I add on the break of this high with a stop loss below here. Not a good idea because of the 4-hour resistance. It will be too risky. I like that I am not doing bad trading as the day passes, as the days accumulate. So the things which I was doing wrong previously before the challenge, I am starting to improve 1% a day. I am making less mistakes in executing. I am being more selective about my setups, how I add to my entries. I am improving, and that's a positive sign. That's all I want. I think adding here on the 1 hour level, the green line, would have been a good choice. Trying to add on the break even, the blue line, but that was a better option in hindsight. So there is always the hindsight bias when we analyze our past mistakes and past trades and past actions. If the 15 high gets broken, I will trail my stop loss to here. Time to trail. Yes, so I'll be risking 14 pips. No, 12 pips. $24, which is quite a lot if you are having $200 in your account. We should always be mindful of what we have in our account. If I cannot manage $200, I won't be able to manage $2,000. That's the reality of trading. Time to switch to the 1 minute chart. I see this nice uptrend and it should take us to the destined land. If the highs are broken, it shouldn't wait too much. Buyers are really holding this level right now. We don't see a sharp fall like this. Although they were also holding at this point, but then it turned out to be a worse fall. The 1 minute has broken out and it shouldn't look back now. Just a few more pips and we'll be done for the day. Maybe I might take another setup. Who knows? But the 1 minute lows should stay good for that to happen. This 1 minute low should not get broken. Otherwise, we will have a pullback. And then we might go up, and who knows, we might not. Is it time to sell? Should I trail? These are all good questions. Let's see the 5 minutes. 5 minutes is closed above the 4 hour level. So I hope we don't get a bearish candle, but first get rejected from the daily level. That will be a better thing for us. Or I can trail my stop loss here, but I don't think that's a good thing to do. I will lose on 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips, which is $40, which I also lost here. So if you want to recover it, this is the way. Hold it till our TP hits with full patience. The trend is still intact. We are going good to the upside. 1 minute has broken out, and it's time to eat 5 more ticks. Just 5 more. Yeah, out. Take profit hit. Let's review the trade. I don't know what is uh, remaining to review, man. It was a funny trade. Let's close the, yeah, the sell stop is cancelled. So on the 30 minutes time frame, no, yeah, I think that it was 30 minutes time frame. We took a trade here when the highs were broken. Our stop loss was, I think, below this candle. Then the candle closed bullish in next 5 minutes, and then we trailed our stops to here. Then what happened was we kept breaking highs and we kept moving up. And at this point, we got rejected by these wicks, these wicks. So we came down all the way, broke all the 5 minute, 15-minute lows, and then even the 30 lows to retest the range. And just when the range was retested, our stop loss also got hit, which was just below 30 level. Next time, if we have a 30 low just above the range, I will put my stop loss below the range. So our stop loss got hit and we got moving up. By the way, see how exact our take profit was. Love it, love it. Now I can just relax, chill, do whatever. So we re-entered the trade at 29, 29.3. Let me mark it. So where was the 30 low? I think this was the 30 low. Yeah, so the 30 low and our stop loss was just below it. And we got stopped out on this candle, right? And then we took another trade. So the let's copy this. I took another trade, opened it at 29, 29.3, this level on this candle. Yeah, stop loss was below this candle, below the range. I was risking around 50 $60, and the take profit was 2936.9 exactly. So this was a loss and this was a profit. At the end of the day, we are at a profit of $27, and that's what matters. We are closing green. I might not take another trade, so most probably I won't. But if I see a good bullish setup, I will take the opportunity. So I think if the daily breaks out, we see a small 15 or 30-minute candle and then a bullish candle on this daily level, I will take the trade uh, to I will take the trade, and I think will look something like this. Something like this. Stop loss will be below that candle, and I will take partials here. So I think most of my position or half of my position can get closed here. Good enough move, and this will be a good range capture. Back to back 30-minute candles are seen here. A red candle, small red candle for I think 9 to 9:30, and then we'll have a 9:30 salary, which is a small candle, bearish or bullish, wick bearish or wick bullish, and then we can go take a trade to the upside. For now, I will take a 5-minute break and then we'll return. So this is the forex chart, and we are currently having a breakout on the forex chart, which is not really visible on the futures chart. But if the forex is having a breakout, we can also have a breakout. Stop loss below this candle and a continuation to the upside. I will wait for a bottom week, and I will add some contracts. Target will be this level, which is still 116 pips away. So the daily level is not broken on the futures chart. That's an issue. Even the 0.618 level is not broken. So the 4 hour level, the blue line is also not broken here. 15 minutes should make a steep bottom wick. I think we can enter on the retracement of these candles. Let's check the forex chart. If I see it is a valid setup, I will look to buy or sell or do whatever. So this is a 4 hour level. This will be the 4 hour level. The 1 hour has closed above it. So that's nice. We'll continue. Most probably the 30 minutes has closed above it. That's also nice. Yes, I think we can see a continuation towards the upside. The futures is looking scary, but can also continue with the forex. The forex has a bigger market cap, and I think the futures will follow suit. Now the issue is, where do we enter? If we enter big break of these highs without a bottom wick, that's an issue. If we wait for a bottom wick and we don't get it, that's an issue. In fact, this daily level 2937 is not even broken yet. It's just 2919 here. So this level is 2907, which on the futures chart seems to be 2937. So the left shoulder is here, 2937, and that's why the differences are happening. I believe more in forex than futures. It's a good setup at a good time. We have volume, and I think we should execute. I mean, I should execute it. Nobody's watching me, so why would anyone execute? The only issue is the bottom wick. If we get a bottom wick, we will be sorted. And if we get a bottom wick, I will enter on the retracement. I think it should get rejected first. If it doesn't, I don't know what to do. Bias are pretty strong here. It's a good level. Should get rejected. But we are not getting rejected, and I think the play is on. 1.23 risk reward. I can even extend the risk reward. So this is the long position. If I take it here, the daily level is no, I cannot. It's 1.1 distance away. This is the level. Similar level. Let's mark it as daily level. We haven't really marked it. There are massive differences between futures chart and the forex chart, and we always have to pick which is the best one. We always have to be careful about our choices. So if the 30 has closed above the 15, should break out above the daily level. That will give an added confirmation. And the next 15 minutes should make it steep bottom wick. Maybe even give a bottom wick to the 30 under the 1 hour candle. And then I will be looking for buys. The 15 has a bear and bull setup. So a close above this level is also possible. Shouldn't really take the 15 setups, but I think it's good. It's enticing to me. It will be a current candle setup with no bottom wick. But I don't know why I'm preferring that. It will give a better risk reward. Yes. The low, if the next candle comes to form a low on the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, it should not break this bearish candle's low, technically, because this is a breakout level. So max to max it should break, retest the breakout level. But we don't know what will happen. Let's wait 5 minutes. I don't want to give back my profits that I just made painstakingly, but I don't want to lose on the opportunity if I have a good one on my hands. Currently, the equity is 49,832. Let's check our drawdown. So all of these stats are outdated. Only this is relevant right now. 49,467, 467, and 832. So if it was 867, it would be $400. It's not 867. 67 minus 32 is $35. So 400 minus 35, it is 370, 365. Yeah. So I have $365 in my hand, which is a really big upgrade from $200 or $205, whatever I had before the win. It was a cool trade. So right now I have $365. I will be risking $91 out of 365, and I am looking to make around $125 at the least. Although I will be trying to make more because I am greedy. Let's see what we can do. If I lose these $90, I will have $275 in my hands. 15 seems to be breaking out. That's a good sign for us, but it might not stop. That's an issue. But we'll have to wait for the closure. We cannot take this overextended breakout. So if the 15 closes above, we'll be trying to have catch the retracement, and let's see how much it can trace. So I think the 4-hour level can get retested here. I don't think the breakout will get retested. The breakout level is this one, right? Oh, this one. This is the previous breakout level. Let's check the forex chart. So on the forex side of things, this is the level that can get retested. We are having a huge difference in futures and forex. The levels are so different. Let's see if this 15 breaks out, and if it doesn't, it will be a fake out most probably because of up and down. So if we are at a level of resistance, we fake out coming 930, we'll have a sell, and we can come down to this level from the top of the range to the bottom of the range. So it's really essential we break out right now. I think I'm getting signs that we might not sustain this. Yeah, so a rejection from the top, but no, it has closed above the resistance. Let's see if we have any other resistance. Seems like we don't. This was the 4 hour level, and we are way above that. So we have closed bullish on 30 minutes as well, and the 15 is also breaking out. It's okay to buy, I think, with the same stop loss. Trying to catch the retracement, which should be around here. Let's check the 5 minutes chart. So, in the 1 minute, the retracement, yeah, doesn't make sense on the 1 minute. Let's check the 5 minutes. I think this is a pretty good zone to buy, or even this. Let's trade. Out of the $90, I will risk 30 here, 30 to 40. Let's set it to limit. Buy limit, yes. I am in the trade. I got executed at 2934.7. This is the level. My stop loss is around 2932.8. So let's calculate the difference. The difference is, I think, 19 pips. Yes, I am having a stop loss of 19 pips. I will be risking $40. So not too much. That's good. Let's see if we can go up from here. So these aren't the previous stops. It is making me rethink the trade. What if I risk here? I will have to increase my risk. I cannot have current candle stops here. If it breaks the high, I will add, but currently I will have to stay with previous candle stops. So 34.7 minus 30.7 turns out to be $40, which is $80 of risk, which is within my limits currently. If it breaks structure to the upside, I will add, but I cannot add currently. So I think if it breaks its own high, I can add. How much should I add? I can risk $30, $60. I will have to trail my stops. That's the issue. If I add, I will have to trail my stops, or the risk management will get any problem. So on the forex side, we have a liquid grab, we have a retest, and that's good enough for us to move towards the upside. I think I can use the current candle stops. So if we re-break this low, we should be gone. I'm risking 12 into 2, $24 right now, right? 34.7 minus 33.5 is 12 pips, which is 12 pips is $24. Now I can risk more if the high breaks. If this high breaks, we should go towards the upside. So let's say something like this. The stop loss 33.5, $56. I accept the risk along with $24. So it will turn out to be 56 plus 460 and 20 is $80. So currently risking 24, and if I if the entry if this gets added, I will risk $80. I am in the trade. I am hoping I was hoping to enter here on the break of these red candle high. So now it is broken. So I have a better entry and I didn't have to risk more. Better. Great. Nice. I'll have to close partials now. Now, I mean, in some time. We'll have 9:30 in a few minutes, which will bring more volume to the market. The structure should not get broken, which won't get broken most probably. We will most probably see this daily level get tested. I should close two contracts, sell to limit here, and I should close two contracts, sell to limit here. It will be a great, it will be a great scale and scale out trade if this gets executed well. I hope it does. And if this trade is a banger, if this trade is a positive trade, I will I will only trade NY session. That's a big announcement, but I had to make it. London session is not good right now, and that's why I will have to switch this strategy and move to the NY session. Let's see if the first TP is good enough or not. I will reset the chart. There are too many levels marked on my chart, so please bear with me. I think that is the right word. Bear with me. Let's see if the forex chart has these levels. I don't think so. They have. So the forex chart has the 4 hour and daily in a similar position. When we hit this level, we should close the trade. How many pips is this level away? It is 47 pips away. On the gold chart, 47 pips away is this level. So yeah, I will have to close all of my positions, all these four contracts around here. What is the level? 42.6. Yes, I will be closing on 42.5. Whatever profit or loss I have. Let's check the risk to reward now that everything is done. I think it will be 1 to 3, but let's confirm. 2.77, yeah, around 1 to 3. 5 minutes looks fantastic. Great closure here. The 1 minute looking great. It's just broken out, so just a retest. and next zone will be great. I will move my TP just to some pips down. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm not going to be the hero. I just want my pips. A few pips away from the market, from the level won't hurt me. My stop loss is 4 units currently. The sell stop is modified. That's great. $108 in profit. Looks good on paper. Looks good. Feels good. Everything. Let's see if it hits the stop. I will be done for the day. We are trying to get. So we are trying to get. Hmm, wait a second. 66 pips now. The risk reward will be 2.2. No, that's a wrong risk reward. 2.5 is the risk reward, which is great. No, 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 no. I was about to click the reverse my position button, which would be catastrophic right now. Now we just wait for 930 volume to fix and our stop loss take profit to get hit, not our stop losses. The 30-minute looks pretty bullish. Let's hope the 1 hour continues the trend and it takes us to a destined land without much of a bottom wick. Otherwise, we will get screwed. But that's a great thing. The 30-minute will close and the current candle stops will become previous candle stops. It will close above all the resistances. And technically, we should be able to chill. 15 minutes looks great. So we don't have to wait. Like, we don't have to get fearful of the 30 minutes time frames because of the 15. We have structure on the 15-minute time frame. Currently $100 in profit. That is 25 pips. So the profit which I am aiming is 69 pips. Nice. And 4 contracts. Let's say 70 pips into 4 will be $280. So I will literally double my account. Not double, but maybe 70 or 80% increase. Let's see. So $125 is great. If I make $280 or $270, it will be what percentage does it add? 65 to 70. 36 into 35 into 3 is 105. Yeah, I think 70 percentage. I will make 70 percentage by risking 25 percentage of the account. Let's hope the P gets it. Otherwise, the calculations will be very off. I see volume, and that's a good sign. 9:30, take us to the destined land. I am taking my profit 4 pips away from the resistance, and I will manually close if it is getting rejected prior to that. So this is not the daily level, this is the daily level. This one should close here. So from the high, it is 15 pips away. Let's check on the gold chart. I am willing to risk less. I mean, I am willing to take less money, but I don't want to get rejected and play the game of waiting another half an hour. I will be done by 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time if this hits in the next 1 minute. By the way, the 1 minute chart looks clean, really clean. Great structure, and that's why I love gold. I mean, you have to love it. It's like having a wife and not loving it. If you are trading a single pair, only one pair, you have to love it. Otherwise, what life are you living? Imagine hating hating a pair every day and trading it at the same time. The rejection on the 5 minute is really bad. Should not lose like this. At least this level will be good. But I think it is getting rejected because of the resistance, which I don't like. Just one more push to the upside, which is happening right now. Great. If we get a really big bullish closure, it will be great. Nice. The next one will take us to the destined land, or maybe this candle. 23 seconds remaining. The volume is good enough to get us filled. We won't be getting rejected, I think. We will get filled and then we'll get rejected. Hope so. Closure, closure. So we're closing above, and it's a game of minutes before the TP gets hit. 5 closed really strong. Let's hope we have more buyers at this level. That's the only way we can get hit in 1 to 2 minutes. Currently making $190. Expecting to make $220, $230. Not sure about the number exactly. Seems like we'll be making more than $228. Let's see. Target is $69. One more candle and we are done for the day. Just wait. This is the bottom wick of the 5 minute candle. Let's hope this is not the top. Whatever I'm saying is rhyming today. Let's hope this is not a top. It's really good to make profits. I mean, your mood gets elevated so much, and whenever you are having losses, your mood is really bad. Better, better than someone who is depressed. One last push, Goldie. One last push. I could have booked there. Should I? Could I? Would I? Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Shouldn't close below the halfway mark. Bars are stepping in, and that's good. Just one more push, and we'll be done for the day. Where is the 930 volume? Guys, where is the 930 volume? Where are the buyers of the New York Stock Exchange? I don't see any buyers. I mean, I see buyers. I see, I see you buyers. But where are you right now? Take us to the distant land. Take us to the top. Give us moksha. No, no, please don't. This is a bad closure. We'll have to wait so much. I just hope this candle doesn't break its own low and the next candle doesn't break its own low. If it closes bullish or if really big bearish, it will be good. But I think there is not much hope left, and I am afraid I will have to wait. I will have to wait more. So similar scenarios on gold chart. We are getting rejected from nowhere. We haven't even touched the level. We are getting rejected from this week. Unfortunate. Very unfortunate. 9 to 10 pips more. We are down. Let's see. 9 pips to the take profit. Let's hope we get there. The 1 minute looking decent. 5 minutes is close bearish, but should not break the low. Break of highs, and we get what we wanted. Should I close it here? I think if it has pulled this much, it shouldn't go back to this level. Wait a second. I have 6 contracts as a stop loss. Makes no sense. I think we'll range for some time before it breaks out to the upside or the downside. I'm not sure where. I hope I had the knowledge of volume and cumulative delta and level 2 data, so I could figure out if the bias are strong or not. We'll have to wait for the closure of this 5 minute candle. If it closes above the wicks, we are done. If it closes above the resistance, will be good. Anything else, and we are kind of screwed. See, I'm rhyming. I'm rhyming on every sentence. Whether or not I win this trade, this is a good session. I like it. Let me close this. Where 6 contracts open on the sell side. Makes some sense. I think this is it. We'll see volume in a few minutes. We are going to break this level. I am so tempted to sell right now, but it won't make sense. It would be a stupid decision. I think I can trail here, but that would be giving up on 23 pips after waiting so much. Should I close it here? I have the close just on the on my hand. Let's see. I think we'll go and touch that level. And no way. Let's wait for this closure. If it closes bearish, I will close with whatever profit I have. 1 to 2 is not bad after all. It is closing bearish. I will have to follow through. Give me $200. Just $200. I will be good. Wait a second. 5 minute has closed bullish. I don't really want to wait for the next 5 minutes. but the profits I am seeing is not good. There is chance we break after the 5 minute bullish closure. Let's wait, let's wait. The 5 minute closed. No, this 5 minute broke previous wicks. So let's hope this 5 minute takes us to the distant land. I didn't close there. Why? It's taking so much time to get there. I think it is consolidating and not getting rejected, so it will even break this level to continue further upside. But I don't want to be holding that. I don't have the energy to hold through such a period. This is it. Is this it? Are we seeing buyers? Is this the last candle of the trade? No, but we are close. We are close to breaking out. Good closure, I think. This is the resistance. Buyers are getting more and more aggressive. They are pushing boundaries. Where is the close button? I am closing. I am closing with whatever I am getting right now. Everything cancelled? Yes, I think so. Wow. Pinpoint rejection from wherever I closed. So I closed around 42.2. My day profit was 42.54, somewhere in that range. 27 to 271 looks great. So I made 271 minus 27, 26, 25, 70 minus 25 is $245 on the trade. That's great. Let's update wire. Again, I am rhyming. 65 plus. I think I had 337 on the day. 337 drawdown was left, and currently the profit is $271. If we add these two numbers, turns out to be 608. Wow, I did not expect 608. I was like, maybe we are around 500 level. And now this table makes much more sense. One trade of 1.375 hour, this risk reward. This is not too much, right? Somewhere between 1 and 1.5, right? One trade, two trade, three trades, four trades. Four trades and we'll be out of drawdown. See the power compounding. And we have survived the worst, I think. So we were down around $200. This was the worst. So from 200 today, we have made it to $600. After getting wicked out, we have had two positive trades in our favor. And that's it. That's it. All I did was risk management, follow my plan, put my stop before below the previous candle's low, and looks good. It was a great trade. Love it. This is it for today. Uh, Tomorrow, I think I will have a concrete rule book by NY session. So I will show whatever the rules of the trade are, and follow. I won't deviate from the plan. So I will follow whatever is written in that rule book. That will be the trading plan. W trade. This was also a W trade. This was a W trade, but we lost here due to liquidity, but we recovered it in the next trade. This was a good trade, I think. I did some mistakes here, but the major issue was London was not moving. London was full of chop. So this was the no trade range. And I won't trade London from now on. Probably, most probably. I will figure out if Asia has moved or not. If Asia looks like this was the Asia session. Pure price action and good volume, then I should not trade London. But I might trade Asia. Yeah, that's also a possibility. Trading Asia is a possibility because of the kind of volume we are seeing right now in Asia. See this long trade on the 15 minutes time frame. Close above a candle which does not close below. I mean, it is an impulse candle. Take your profit wherever you want, whether this place or this place, whatever. Anyways, that's it for today. W session, W trades. We are recovering the drawdown. We are in a profit of $76 on the account. $50,076. Let's see what we can do in this week. I hope we can clear the account in this week. I will stop the session.